Audit reports play a critical role in ensuring compliance, improving processes, and guiding corrective actions. However, poorly written reports can lead to misunderstandings, delays in action, and ineffective improvements. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Common mistakes in audit reporting. 2. How these mistakes impact audit effectiveness. 3. Best practices to avoid errors and improve audit reports. By avoiding these common mistakes, auditors can deliver clear, actionable, and impactful reports that drive positive change. 1. Common mistakes in audit reporting. Even experienced auditors can make mistakes that reduce the effectiveness of their reports. Here are the most common ones. Vague or generalized findings, using unclear language that lacks specifics. Example, process improvement needed in quality control. Solution, be specific and factual. Lack of evidence to support findings, reporting issues without providing data, examples, or documentation. Solution, include objective evidence. Focusing on symptoms instead of root causes, reporting surface-level issues without investigating the underlying cause. Solution, use root cause analysis, 5 whys fishbone diagram. Overuse of technical jargon, writing reports that are too complex for non-auditors to understand. Solution, write in clear, professional, and simple language. Lack of prioritization of findings, presenting all issues as equally important. Solution, classify findings as major nonconformities, minor nonconformities, and opportunities for improvement. Failing to provide actionable recommendations, listing problems without offering solutions. Solution, provide clear recommendations. 2. How these mistakes impact audit effectiveness. Delays in corrective actions. If findings are unclear, management may not act quickly. Compliance risks. Vague reports fail to meet regulatory standards. Missed opportunities for improvement. If root causes are not identified, the same issues will repeat. Loss of credibility. Poor reports reduce trust in the audit process. 3 best practices to avoid errors and improve audit reports. Use a clear and logical report structure. Include an introduction, summary, findings, recommendations, and a follow-up plan. Be objective and fact-based. Avoid opinions. Use data-driven statements. Prioritize and categorize findings. Highlight critical risks first. Ensure clarity and readability. Use short sentences, bullet points, and structured formatting. Key takeaways. Common mistakes in audit reports include vague findings, lack of evidence, and unclear recommendations. These mistakes can delay corrective actions, increase compliance risks, and reduce audit credibility. Best practices like structured reporting, objective findings, and actionable recommendations improve audit report effectiveness. By mastering audit report writing, auditors can ensure their reports drive meaningful improvements and compliance success. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to integrate audit findings into long-term business strategies.